this is a 2020 fourth generation Chevy Spark. I rented this vehicle for a road trip to Vegas. That's 36 hours from DC. I'm now on the return trip, so I've logged about 40 hours on this vehicle. And it's time for a quick review. This weighs roughly 2,300 pounds with 98 horse. At that weight, I expected the handling, the cornering, and the braking to be better. It's not bad, it's just, I thought it'd be better. The acceleration is pretty much what you'd expect with 98 horse. It's not terrible, but it's certainly not great. I'd say it's good enough, at least for me, to be a only vehicle / daily driver. I guess where it really shines for me is I love the size of this. I drive a Dodge Ram pickup. It's chunky, it's bulky, it's heavy, and being in a car like this is quite refreshing. A couple of the things I noticed here on this interface is that it will accept this USB plug, right? And will even recognize this old school iPod. I personally like this old school one because the music's actually on the device itself. I don't have to go to some cloud. I'm not depending on some connection or whatever. So that's kind of nice. It also has a reverse camera, so for less experienced drivers, back in this parking space especially, it's very handy. I did pop the hood open, took a peek inside, and with a small car like this, everything's kind of cramped together. So DIY projects are going to be, I suspect they're going to be pretty challenging on this. So just bear that in mind. One other thing is that I feel I'm not getting a lot of respect on the road. I'm pretty sure they see me, but they're just kind of pulling in front, almost like, hey, I've got the bigger vehicle, you're gonna slow down or move out of my way, which I do, obviously. I don't want to be in an accident. So just bear that in mind. But overall, I do like this car. It's a fun little ride, and it's